It's interesting, isn't it? A blank canvas. Sometimes we all wish we could just simply start again and repaint the picture of our business lives. Unfortunately, the pace that we work at often doesn't give us the opportunity to reset and create the picture that we really want. So if your business is facing a financial impediment, big or small, and that leads to liquidation, then how do you work your way through that process to be able to paint the picture that you want for the rest of your business life and your personal life? We can help you with that. As liquidators, we've seen the fallout of company insolvency every day. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Sometimes people need help to get back on their feet. And you're lucky in that we're connected to lots of different professionals who can help you do just that. Sometimes you don't have the brush, sometimes you don't have the paints to create the picture that you want. But you can rest assured that we know the people that can equip you with the resources to rebuild your life, both professional and personal, after a significant insolvency event. This is challenging stuff to have to deal with. Fear is a massive motivator for people not to engage with an insolvency professional. We can demystify the process, we can take the fear out of it, and we can move you from a chasm of confusion to a corridor of clarity. Come talk to us. It'll make a difference for you and the people who mean the world to you.